Mula nga sa front page, FB page, Sandro Mulak files complaint versus two high-ranking GMA executives. Sandro Mulak, the son of actor Nino Mulak, submitted a formal complaint to the management of GMA Network against its independent contractors, Jojo Nunes and Richard Cruz. Ayan po, pinangalanan na at makikita na nga ang mukha. Actually, may photo pa sila na handun sila sa gala night ng GMA or gala night ng GMA. GMA Network has just received a formal complaint from Sparkle artist Sandro Mulak against two GMA independent contractors, Jojo Nunes and Richard Cruz. The Kapuso Network said in an official statement released on Thursday, August 1. Sandro hails from a huge family of entertainers. His father was former child star before transitioning to teen and adult roles. His half-brother Alonso was also a child actor, while the family on his father's side counts as member. The likes of grandmother and the Queen of Philippines movies Amalia Fuentes, his grandfather and Fuentes' brother Alexander, who was also an actor for a time. The late Lizelle Martinez and her husband Albert Martinez, who is still active in showbiz, and uncle and aunts Aga Mulak and Arlene and Almira Mulak, who are all siblings. So yan po ang related sa showbiz o mga relasyon nga nitong si Sandro Mulak dahil itong si Nino at si Aga ay magpinsan. So ito po ang circle of family ng Mulak na kung saan ay nakadepensa o ang puwersa nila, yan ang sinabi nila, no? Ang puwersa ng Mulak ay gagawin ng lahat para lang makamit ang justice. Actually, nagsalita na po ang abogado nila Jojo at Richard. At syempre, pawang depensa ang abogado nito sa dalawa. Narito ang kanilang naging statement. Anila sa kanilang naging statement or ang abogado nila Jojo at Richard, our clients are deeply saddened by the serious allegations hurled against them circulating on social media. And though these allegations do not mirror the true accounts of the event, we would like to reserve the right to respond in a proper forum when we reserve a copy of the formal complaint. Paliwanag pa ng abogado nila Jojo at Richard, for the meantime, we urge the public to respect the investigation being conducted on this case, and we advise people who have no personal knowledge of the incident to refrain from posting baseless defamatory allegations and therefore unfairly subjecting both parties to publicity trial. Samantala, kinumpirma naman ni Nino Mulak ang kanyang naging pahayag na inumpisahan nyo tatapusin ko dahil ayon sa kanya, tinatapos lang po naming i-file ang criminal case, then I'll talk. So, nagsampa na po ng kaso sila Nino Mulak, ang pamilya niya ng criminal case sa dalawa nga pong akusado. At ayon sa abogado ng dalawa, ang nagsisirculate ngayon sa social media ay parang walang katotohanan. Na ayon nga sa naging pahayag ni OG Diaz parang napagkamalang booking o nagpapabook itong si Sandro. Na which is, alam ni Sandro talaga napagsamantalahan siya, kaya naman matapang niyang isiniwalat ito sa social media. Well, ito nga abangan kung ano nga bang sasabihin ni Nino Mulak dahil nagpapasa na nga sila ng complaint or criminal case sa dalawang executive ng GMA. Yan ang ating showbiz love update. Tumutok lang po for more and thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners.